Right, hello everyone. Karibuni to our new wellness program here on Lolwe Tv. Karibuni sana. Welcome. And today we have Afrofab, Mr. Benja, and DJ Roy. They've joined us here today to demonstrate for me and join me here. So asanteni sana for joining us on this lovely Monday morning. Yeah? It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to join us and exercise. Karibuni sana. So Situanze? Yeah? Hapo. So we're just going to start by warming up with that. So just take this easy as we start. We don't want injuries. Hatutaki watu wa pull vitu, si ndio? Yeah. And as we go, let's just raise our knees kidogo. And the fitter people amongst us really get it high. What we're looking for is for it to come as far up, uku, bas, yes? And now let's really swing those arms, getting everything going, getting the blood pumping. Let's go. This one is a dancer. And now we're just going to gently warm up our legs here. Wider. Let's go. Tukuje karibu. And wide again. Let's go. And twende. Hapa. Last one, yes? We're going faster now. You can hear the tempo coming up. Let's go. Higher. And now let's just hold that stance and gently come down and back up. As slow as you can, as deliberate as possible. This is just still getting the body warm. Let's do 3 more of these. Pole pole. Kama magoti zako ni mbaya kama zangu, tafuta kiti. Sit. Sit and. Sit. Sit and. Sindio? That's what, I mean, we're training at home. So what we want is use whatever it is that you need to use. If you, like I, have a handicap with your knees. Sindio? Gentle squat. And now let's get a bit closer and let's go up and down. It's just a gentle jump. Na kama unaishi kwa flat usipigie jirani wa chini kelele. Stick with the squats. Sindio? You know it's 5:30 in the morning. Sindio? Yeah? Let's go. That's it. Perfect. Really good. You can tell he's a young man. He's very agile. Twende. Let's go. A bit faster now. Bit more dynamic. Twende. Tukirudi. Twende. And now, it's very important while you exercise to stay hydrated. So if you need, have a sip of water as we go down into our crunches. What we're trying to establish in these early days is really to get your strong core. So you will find that a lot of our exercises will revolve around the back, upper body, abs, you know, because the stronger the core we've got, the better the base that we're building, yes? So we're just going to go into crunches, not a full sit-up. If you can, of course, go into a full sit-up, yes? So we're starting here. It's a very gentle crunch because we're only just starting now, yes? It's our first day. Hatutaki ku give up before tuende mbali, si ndio? Very good. Make sure your whole back is coming down and back up again. If you can, for the fit amongst us, really go for it. Get your hands up here on your shoulders and go for it. So these are the variations, yes? So you can either crunch like Roy is doing, like Benja is doing, or you can do a full military sit-up as fast as you can. Basically what we're doing here is doing this at your own pace. You're not competing with anyone except yourself, you know? Sawa. Let's do 5 more, please. 5 more, and then we'll move into push-ups. Yes? Perfect. So before you get into a push-up, make sure that whichever variation you do, whether it's a box push-up like this, or it's a full push-up like so, we are keeping that plank position. Yes? We're not dipping and we're not coming too high. Yes? Okay? Let's go. We're going to go for 10 push-ups, and this is at your own pace. Yes? 20. That's it. Good. Very good. So for our viewers at home, make sure that you're in this plank position the whole time. Your shoulders here, nice and open. We're not slacking. We're not... That's it. Good. Keep that box position. If you cannot keep that box position, please go onto your knees. Yes? It doesn't have to be a full push-up until you're strong enough to do it. Yes? Let's go. Just 4 more, please. I can see Benja is showing off. Right. And let's rest. Let's rest. Benja is a strength and conditioning coach, so he knows what he's doing. I know, isn't it? He knows how to cheat. Right, guys, come on, let's turn around now. And we're going to go into a bridge. Remember, with the bridge, we want your back nice and flat on the ground. Your feet, when you come, it should be at 90 degrees. And really pulling up and creating this nice, straight line here. And squeeze that bottom on the up. Yes? Right. Let's go, guys. Push up. And up again. Remembering to really take everything deliberately. It's not how fast you can go, it's how well you can do it. Yes? That's it. Let's go. We're just going to go for 6 more. The ones who want your middle name to be Titus. Right, let's go, let's go, let's go. 4 more, guys, 4 more. Really bring it up and squeeze that bottom. And squeeze, yes? 2, let's go. Remember, it's all very deliberate, yes? And slowly come up. And turn around, please. Have a sip of water whenever you need it. And we're now going to go into like mountain climbers. Again, we're going into that plank position, making sure that your bottom is not up in the air like in a downward dog position, or your back is not like this, yes? So, let's go. Yeah? That's it. And if you want, you can take this faster, yes? It's up to you how hard you want to work on this, or indeed how hard you're capable of going on this, yes? I like to take it haraka haraka. Ndio ni sweat more. Makes me feel like I'm burning more fat. It's a lie. But I do it, yeah? Right, guys. So we're going to do this again after the leg raises. But now, let's come down on the ground. Again, making sure that your back is nice and flat and neutral, yes? This means that your lower back is literally on the ground and not arching like so, yes? Right, let's go. Legs up. And very slowly, slowly, people. No cheating, Benja. And back up. And for our viewers at home, if taking both feet at the same time is a bit difficult, take it one at a time. Really take it one at a time, but don't get to the ground or to there, and back. Whichever one is easier. If you have lower back issues, please either put a towel under your bottom or your hands will suffice. And now you can go just to there and back. Right, guys, let's do 5 more, yes? Let's go. 4 and 4. Good. 2 more, guys. 2 more. Vumilieni, tuko karibu kumaliza. And for our viewers, I know it doesn't look hard. Lakini that is why we are here on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To give you the days in between to recover. Right, guys? Have a breather. We're going for 20 at your own pace, yes? Good. And up we get. Now walk it out. And let's walk it out. Well done, team. You've done really well. And thank you all for being here with us so far. And thank you for sticking with it. I know it hasn't been easy. Lakini, utazoea. We'll be here every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on Lolwe. Yeah, and we got. Oh, not everyone is from We Got, Sindio. Some of us are from Ahenyo. That's where I'm from. Right, let's go. Pole pole tu. Hii hataki makasiriko. Ini ya mwisho. Hey, mbaka I'm sweating. Is anyone else sweating? Right. Just wide here. Bend your knees slightly and really bring this hand up. What we want to see is your hand in the middle of your shoulder blades here and pull back. Yeah? That's it. And swap hands. Up. Again, it's right in the middle of your shoulder blades and we're pushing back. Yes? And come in and push out. Really push out so you feel this stretch coming along here. If you don't feel it yet, nice and straight here, pull that tummy in and push out. And now hands small of the back here. And don't push your tummy out. What we want is neutral knees here and push out so you feel this stretch along here. Yes? In your chest. There. Unaweza kucheza kidogo. Aya. Let's go down. What you want to do here, your feet are facing forward, and now you're feeling this stretch along your hamstrings, the back of your legs here, yes? Bend your knees slightly and push. And this one is for balance, yes? Come up. Let's stretch those quads on one leg, push, knees together, and pull back. If you find this a bit difficult because you're new to exercise, find a wall, find a chair, and really pull back, but your knees together, yes? Let's do the other side. You should be feeling this here. If you're not feeling it here, knees together, pull back, body nice and straight. Because if you lean forward, you're not going to feel it, yeah? And again, let's go down. Feet together and really touch. Again, you'll feel this all along the back of your legs to your lower back, yes? And coming up, take a deep breath in and out. And deep breath again, in and out. And one more time, in and out. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. Remember, we're here on Lolwe every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And it's been a pleasure. Thank you. Asanteni. Rokamano.